Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's see and let's check your person's emotion ngayong week for you. Syempre, oo. So again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Yes, okay, so ito sila. Yan silang lahat. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye. Unang-una, protection from evil eye na ibinabato sa atin, na hindi tayo aware na meron pala silang ibinabato sa ating hindi maganda. So, kahit sino pa yan, hindi may iwasan, no? So, meron tayong ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable if you're into rings, no? Meron din tayong bracelets. Okay, so adjustable. Ito yung adjustable with initial po ito, ha? And yung ating garterize naman. So, ganyan siya, yung garterize. Ito yung adjustable. Yung merong 5 colors ng evil eye. So, may kanya-kanya yung pagpaprotect na ginagawa. Okay? And syempre, yung ating money and love bracelet. Okay. So, bakit may money? Kasi ito po ay merong citrine. Citrine stone na hindi ko nababanggit noon. Masyado akong focus sa love. So, yung mga nakakuha nito, kumusta naman yung inyong money? Diba? I don't know. Baka okay. Na, so, yeah, the citrine stones is, sabihin nating money magnet. So, diba? Isang bracelet, merong 2 na nakapaloob. Money and love magnet. Okay, so ito yon. So, kung anong kailangan niya i-provide sa situation mo, yun ang gagawin niya, yun ang ibibigay niya. Kung meron siyang mga kailangan alisin, may aalisin to. Okay, para sa iyo rin naman yon. Okay, and syempre, kung ikaw ay lalaki at gusto mo nito, pwede naman, lagay mo lang sa red pouch. Okay, sa red pouch. Kung gagamitin mo siya as pang business mo, if ever, or sa money mo lang, pwede naman yon. Okay, so, next is yung ating granter. Granter necklace is taga-grant lang. Taga-grant lang siya ng minamanifest mo. So again, kailangan mong protektahan yung iyong minamanifest. So, paano po na nasisira yung minamanifest? Yung mga taong nagsasabotay sa energy mo. Yung mga taong nagbibigay ng evil eye sa'yo. Okay? So, kailangan mong samahan ng evil eye. Suot ka ng evil eye at ito. Kung meron kang sarili mong evil eye, gamitin mo. Ganun lang. Okay? So, yan siya. Okay? Again, this is made to order and this is unisex. Okay? Ganyan siya. Yeah. Harap at likod. Okay? So, there. So, wala kang makikitang gantong design kasi ako yung nag-design. Okay? Wala kang makikitang gantong design sa iba. And syempre, yung ating cord cut. So, paano po yan? Para saan yan? Pang taboy, M-A-L-A-S. Pang alis, M-A-L-A-S. Hindi ko sinasabing word na yun, ayoko. Okay? Ayoko yun. Kasi every time na nagbabanggit ka ng mga salita, nagmamanifest yun. Ha? So, ito siya. Pang taboy. Okay? Sabihin nyo, alat, ganto ganyan. Ito yun. Ito yung pang protection. Okay? Itong ating cord cut. Pag-aalis ng mga hindi tamang energy na naka-attach sa inyo. Para mabalanse yung inyong frequency and inyong energies. Yun lang. Okay? So, again, yeah, kung may tanong, message na lang. And wag po sa comment section, ha? Okay, sa comment section magme-message, magko-comment, magtatanong. Kasi madalas, mga scammers yung nagre-reply. We don't reply sa comment section. Okay? Sa PM lang. Okay po. So, again, let's see. Let's start the reading. You can check your sun, moon, rising. Kung alam niyo yun. Okay? Mas maganda kung alam niyo yung sun, moon, rising, Venus ninyo, ibang placements, ibang zodiac sign. Okay? So, hindi naman kasi isa lang yung zodiac. There's that 3 big, that big three zodiac. The sun, the moon, and the rising. The ascendant. Okay. Let's see. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Your person's emotion for you. So, who is this? Who is this? Gusto ko muna makita yung situation nyo ngayon. Anong sitwasyon nyo, mga air signs? The Nine of Cups. That's nice. Pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay, what's with that? Nine of Cups. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. I'm hearing consistency. I'm hearing focus. I'm hearing genuine focus, no? So, the Emperor is here in reverse. Okay. Or, sana hindi ito yung kinakailangan pagdating sa sitwasyon. Could be, ito yung ginugusto or kinakailangan. Nakita ko kasi si Emperor. Yeah, oo, the Five of Pentacles. Yeah. So, siguro nga, kung ikaw yon na nasa ganitong situation na parang okay na, consistent na, andito na yung focus, andito na yung genuine love, I'm happy, then that's good. Okay? Pero kung ikaw itong nasa situation na parang yun ang ginugusto mo, pagdating sa connection, pagdating sa sitwasyon, kasi nakita ko nga ito, as si Emperor in reverse, meaning to say, this is like one-sided. Isa lang ang gumagawa, isa lang ang gumagaod para lang mas maging okay, para gumulong, yung sitwasyon, masabing healthy, masabing magkasama, masabing kayo pa rin. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang meron sa taong ito. Air signs. Anong meron sa kanya? Ay, the Queen of Wands in reverse. The BITCH. Excuse me. May ugali. May ugali. Hindi mo mapapasunod to. May sarili yang kagustuhan, masamang ugali. Masamang ugali. I'm sorry. Queen of Wands in reverse. Some of you, sabihin nating umaayaw ka na. Yes, umaayaw ka na sa kanya. Meron ka ng mga nakikitang sabihin nating yun na yung rason para umayaw ka eh. Pero I don't know bakit ka nagstay or bakit ka talagang, I don't know, some of you this is like familiarity or yun nga, nakasanayan, parang ganyan. The Queen of Wands in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng nasabihan ka na kung sino man, na pwedeng siya yung twin flame mo, siya yung soulmate mo, siya yung nakadestined sa'yo. Kaya okay, sige, gagawa ko ng paraan dito sa aming connection na to para mag-work out. Kasi sabi ni ganto, ganyan, na kami ay dapat magkasama or, di ba? Na, yeah, strength in reverse. No, maubos ka rito. Let's see, what is their emotion for you? What is their emotion? Some of you, you're in a karmic connection. You're in a karmic connection. Yun ang masasabi ko. This is not twin flame. This is not soulmate. This is karmic. Yeah, this is karmic. Let's see. Ano emotion niya sa'yo? Air signs. The Five of Cups. Really? That's being disappointed. Why? There's regrets. Yeah, judgment. This is karmic. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. This is karmic. Okay, the Nine of Wands. Some of you, sabihin nating nagkaroon na kayo ng mahabang pagsasama. Pwedeng kasal yung iba. Pero yun nga lang, habang tumatagal nawawala na yung love, nakikita mo na yung totoong ugali, whatsoever, or sabihin natin yung isang dahilan na sinabi sa'yo na pwedeng ito yung twin flame mo, or soulmate mo, or kung ano man. Okay? Some of them, sa totoo lang, hindi na rin nila gusto to. Okay? Hindi na rin nila gusto to. Kung meron ditong 9 of Cups and the 8 of Pentacles, some of them, ayaw lang nilang manghinayang kung aalisan ka nila. Yes, ayaw na lang din lang manghinayang afterwards, if ever. The 9 of Cups, the 8 of Pentacles, yeah. Sabihin natin pwedeng maging wish fulfillment ka ng iba Ayaw nila yon. Pwedeng ganun rin yung nararamdaman mo doon sa tao. Ayaw mong pupunta na lang din sa iba kasi marami ka nang na-invest. Yeah. Pero the separation napoprolong na lang. Nakakapagod to. You're in a karmic. Kung ang tagal-tagal na ng pagsasama, ayaw na lang na merong mapunta sa wala. Ayaw na lang na masabing ang tagal-tagal nyo, hiwalay rin lang pala kayo. Yun yung iniiwasan din ng iba, or pwedeng nitong taong to. Anyway, so yeah, the sun in reverse, it's like, okay, this is my fate. Yun narinig ko. Ito na yung tadhana. Ito yung nakatadhana sa akin. So, okay, i-welcome ko to. At yayakapin. Tatanggapin ko. Pero, I don't know kung talaga bang masaya or okay pa. Nakaka-toxic. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's see your person's emotion for you. Pwedeng maging reversed yung read or flip. May nagbulong sa akin, maybe this is for a cross-watcher. Pero kung hindi naman at nag-fit naman sa'yo, yeah, pwede naman yun. May chances lang na talagang pwedeng pang cross-watcher itong nakikita ko na to. Okay, na pwedeng reading. Na makita for you, fire signs. So, Aries, Leo, Sag, your person's emotion for you this coming week. So, ano ba ang inyong situation? The situation. Okay, the 9 of Wands in reversed. Trust issues. The trust issue. The 2 of Wands in reversed. So, anyway, somebody's tired. The situation is too tiring. Nakakapagod. Nakakaumay. Kailangan na ng ipahinga to, fire signs. Kung anumang situation meron, bakit? Anong meron? So, kanya-kanya pong issue yon ha? Kanya-kanyang issue. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, napapag-usapan nyo na yung hiwalayan Napapag-usapan nyo na. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang meron sa person? Fire signs. Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba ito? Sino ba ito Let's see. Hi! The 2 of Cups. Okay. And the Judgment in reversed. Page of Swords. See, trapped. Feeling trapped. The 8 of Swords. Excuse me. Ito yung taong parang feeling mo gusto mo makasama forever. May nakukuha ko dito na itong taong to, nakikitaan mo siya ng like mutual mutual, pero hindi ko alam bakit to nakakapagod, kung anong issue. What's the blockage? What is the blockage? Some of you, yun ang hinihiling mo sa tao, na maging mutual, na maging same kayo ng intentions, ng plano. Judgment is here. So, meaning to say, parang may hinihintay ka dito sa kanya na maging equal kayo. Some of you, yun yung blockage, no? So, let's see. Yeah, the Queen of Cups universe. Somebody is pwedeng sabihin nating thinking lang sa sarili, this is being selfish, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, selfishness. Some of you, hindi ka maipaglaban ito sa pamilya niya, sa relatives niya, whatsoever. Okay? Sa mga sasabihin ng ibang tao. Some of you, I'm hearing same gender. Same gender. Okay? Hindi kaya marinig yung mga pwedeng sabihin ng ibang tao, ganyan. So it's like nakakapagod to. May patutunguhan pa ba tayo? Magiging okay pa ba tong atin? Or yeah. Some of you, this is unconditional. I mean, conditional. Conditional. Ang nakikita ko dito. Kung hindi po nagiging mutual yung feeling sa isa't isa, somebody is giving unconditional love and the other one is just giving conditional love. Meaning to say, laging may kapalit. Mamahalin kita, pero dapat may kapalit. So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon nito for you, fire signs? Ano ba talaga ang emosyon niya for you? Fire signs. Anong emosyon niya? Oops. Okay, kunin natin yun. The Knight of Swords. What's with the Knight of Swords? Knight of Swords, I mean. Too much in and out. Oo, inconsistent. Yeah, hindi talaga kayo the King of Pentacles universe is somebody na pwedeng self-centered, like uunahin niya yung sarili niya, kaya po ganun. No, sabihin natin hindi siya like open, sabihin natin communication, sabihin natin puro ganto, pero when it comes to action, wala. Okay? So, hindi magkapareho ang salita at gawa ng taong to. Yeah. Some of them, they're not ready. Some of them, they have money issues. Some of them, they have bisyo. Okay? Na pwedeng yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng issue sa inyo. Pwedeng yun yung isa rin na dahilan ng blockages para magkaroon ng improvement itong connection ninyo. It's like, ayoko nga. Sanay na ako dito bakit mo ako pipigilan? Parang ganun yung nakikita ko, nararamdaman ko dito sa connection nyo na to. Okay? Yeah, Temperance universe, madalas ang away dito. There is imbalance here. There is imbalance. Pwedeng minsan, okay, pag sinabi mo na itigil mo na yan, laging may kapalit. Okay, sige, titigil ko to, basta ganto, ganyan. Hindi ka, sabihin natin emotionally, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan nitong taong to, hindi kayo balanse. Kaya nakakapagod. Yeah. Nakakapagod. Puro pang sarili, pang kanyang iniisip. Anyway, so emotion para sa'yo ng taong to is too much hot and cold. Too hot and cold. Hot and cold. The world. So we have here the Two of Swords universe is decision. I don't know, some of you are just accepting kung ano ang pwede niyang mai-offer. Pwede niyang gawin. Pwede niyang sabihin. That is why. Some of you, yeah. Okay, we have angel number for you, fire signs. It's 222. Okay, so for me, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano pa ba ang another message ng universe sa'yo. Okay? Excuse me. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, your person's emotion this coming week. Let's see and let's check. Diba? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, water signs. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, what is... Tingnan muna natin kung sino to. Who is this person? Water signs. Who is this? Anong energy ng taong to? Gusto nyong malaman. Okay. The Hangman. Could be a fellow water sign. Could be Pisces. Excuse me. Okay. The Hangman. Somebody who overplanned. Tendency na mag-overplan. What's with this Hangman? The Star in reversed. Okay, may tendency tong taong to na masabotahin niya everything pagdating sa kanyang mga plano, mga ganyan, okay? They're an overthinker, some of them. Could be an aqua. Water signs, this person, you're still hung up on them. Are you? Some of you, you're still waiting for them. You're not healed from them. Sila ba yung wish na hindi na-grant? Mga water signs? Siya ba yung wish mo na hindi na-grant? Siya ba yung taong hinihintay mo na parang feeling mo wala nang pag-asa? Siya ba? Parang sabihin nating nagstay ka, pero na-disappoint ka lang. Why? Bakit na-disappoint? Sabihin natin kanya-kanya kayo na sitwasyon, kanya-kanyang issue. Okay? Yeah, this is not a personal reading kasi. That's why hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, no? So kung private reading mo to, personal reading, why not? Chalk not, diba? So let's see. What's the situation? What is the situation? Unti-unti nang nawawala ang hope. Unti-unti nang nawawala ang hope mo pagdating sa kanya, water sign. Some of you are waiting for them. I don't know kung anong hinihintay mo. What's the situation? Anong situation ninyo? Page of Pentacles universe. Could be no contact or there's no good communication sa ngayon. There's delays. May nag-end or mayroong nag-pause. Okay. Page of Pentacles in reverse. And, yeah, may nag-end. Or, merong natigil. Merong nag-avoid. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. So, there's this confusion, feeling stuck. Okay. There's this tension surrounding the situation surrounding you both. There's this tension. Okay. Some of you, meron ditong nag-decide ng sabihin nating mature, no? Mature decision sa past. Some of you are still waiting for this person Pero it's like, nagiging hopeless ka na. I don't know why. Maybe the communication is wala. Some of you, there's blockages. There's like literal na naka-block. Or talagang no contact na lang talaga. Unti-unti nang nawawala ang pag-asa pagdating sa kanya. Nawawalan kayo ng pag-asa sa kanya, water signs. So, let's see. What is their emotion right now for you? What is their emotion for you this coming week? Okay. Yeah, they're trying to avoid you. They're trying to avoid conversation. Some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn. Dalawang beses ako nakakita ng Capricorn sign. So, let's see. What is your emotion right now for you this coming week? Water signs. The Knight of Cups. Oh. The Knight of Cups. I'm hearing testing the waters. Testing the waters. Okay. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. The Knight of Swords. Yeah. Testing the water. Some of them, they're planning. They have plans. They're thinking. They're thinking of you, actually. Yeah. The Tower is here. They're in their Tower moment. Tower moment. Some of you, kung meron ngang nangyaring pagdedesisyon sa past, hindi nila gusto yung decision ginawa nila. Some of them, sabihin nating mahirap sa kanya yung situation sa ngayon. Sa mga walat ka sa hindi, they still love you. This person still loves you. Yeah. Okay? Pero, some of them, mas pinipili niya na ma-focus yung attention niya sa ibang bagay kesa dito. I don't know why. Kung anong dahilan. Kung bakit mas pinipili niyang tumalikod dito. But yeah. Nandun pa rin yung love niya sa'yo. Okay, nandun pa rin. Communication, hindi posible. Hindi imposible. Okay? Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Page of Swords. The Lovers. Ten of Pentacles. Some of you, you're karmic. You're in a karmic connection. They still love you, pero kailangan niyang mag-move forward. Alam niya na itong connection na to is ginawa lang siyang strong. Okay? Hindi ka mawawala sa kanya actually. Hindi ka mawawala sa puso't isip niya. Yes, isa kang malaking parte. Okay? Para sa kanya, malaki kang parte sa buhay niya. Some of you, itong taong to, mayroong nangyari sa kanya, sabihin nating improvement dahil sa'yo. Okay? Dahil sa'yo. Kung papalarin nga Kung papalarin nga, pipiliin pa rin niya Kung magkaroon man kayo ng pagkakataong maging kayo ulit, pipiliin niya ikaw. Ikaw pa rin. See? Na Two of Cups. Kung anong nararamdaman mo siguro water sign sa taong to, yun din ang nararamdaman niya. Kung love mo pa siya, ganun pa rin siya sa'yo. Pero yes, hindi pwedeng naka-stuck yung energy natin sa ganito and walang nangyayaring improvement. I don't know. Some of them, feeling nila, every time na nandyan kayo sa connection, walang improvement na nangyayari. So, we have to separate ways. We have to grow. Okay? Parang ganun. So, yes. Some of them, they're still looking for you. Nakikitingin sa kung ano man, sa FB, whatsoever. Okay, so next, diba, nawala yung ating sign, yung ating tawag dyan, flashcard for earth signs. So, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, let's see what is their emotion for you this coming week. So, sino ba ite? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's see. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. So, who is this person? Who are they? Oops! Okay, may nag-flip na isa. Kunin ko to. The Hermit. Wala ka na masyadong alam pagdating sa kanya. Some of you, wala na kayong communication. Could be a Virgo. Hermit in reversed. Let's see. Some of them, sila yung taong lagi lang nasa bahay. Parang ganun. Ayaw lang makipag-socialize. Some of them. What's with that Hermit in reversed? Page of Cups in reversed. They have a lot of trauma. They have a lot of trauma. Trauma! Okay? The past. The world in reversed. Maraming trauma ang nangyari sa taong to. Some of them, they don't know how to say they're sorry. They don't know how. Or sabihin natin, ayaw nila magsasabi nun. Not specific, not for all. Some of them, they're young. Or immature lang talaga. Okay. Iba sa kanila, they're too insensitive. They are insensitive. Could be a water sign then. Virgo and water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, let's see what's the situation. Anong situation ninyo? Earth signs. The Devil in reversed. Some of you, ikaw itong tumalikod sa situation. Or ikaw yung tumalikod sa kanya, tumalikod sa mga katoksikan. Kasi yeah, I'm getting toxic energy coming from this person. They're toxic. And ayaw mo nun. Yeah. No communication for some of you. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. May nag-cut off. May nag-block. Could be blockages. Or could be no contact lang talaga. Okay? Meron ditong tumanggi or meron ditong tumalikod sa isang toxic na sitwasyon. Pagtalikod sa toxic na sitwasyon. Somebody, meron din ditong takot humarap or takot harapin yung mga issue. Hindi marunong umunawa. Closed off. Sarado yung utak. May ganun. Okay, yeah, death in reverse. This is a past person's energy. Teet! O, diba? Could be a Scorpio. Some of them, pwedeng hindi na rin totally nag-reach out because they're trying to protect themselves. Okay? From you. From you. Let's see. What is their emotion? What is their emotion for you, Earth signs? Being sneaky. Curious. Wanting to know more. Kung ano ba? Kung ano pa ba ang nangyayari sa'yo. There's just sabi natin, there's that energy of being, sabi natin, curious. Yung energy kasi niya, parang ang dami niyang hinahanap, ang dami niyang kinakalap. Oo. No? Na mga info, marami siyang gustong malaman. Some of them, they want to share something with you. I don't know kung ano. Maybe a news. A news. Okay? Whether bad or good. They want to share something. What's with that 7 of Swords in reverse? Yeah. The Lovers. They want to reconnect. They want to reconnect. They want to get your attention. They want a new beginning. They want another chance. They want to get your attention in general. This person is confused as F. They are. They don't know kung anong meron. Kung ano ba yung intention niya. But yeah, yung gusto lang niya is to reconnect with you. Some of them, yeah, see? Confusion. They don't know. Ano bang meron? Ano bang dahilan ko? Bakit ginugusto ko pa rin kay Earth sign? Or bakit ginugusto ko pa rin na lumapit, kumunik? They don't know why. They're just confused. Maybe, sabihin natin, the familiarity, sanay siya. Okay? Ten of Pentacles. Again, the 7 of... Yeah, they want to go back. They still want you. Some of you, meron ako narinig, this is channeled. Ikaw lang daw yung nakakaintindi sa kanya, Earth sign. Ikaw lang daw yung nakakaintindi sa kanya. Nahihirapan siya ngayon kasi pwedeng tinalikuran mo yung katoksikan niya. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi rin lang kaya without you. Some of you, there could be third party involved. There could be third party. And ikaw pa rin talagang hinahanap-hanap ng taong to. Gusto niya pa rin may malaman. Yeah, the King of Wands. Andun yung energy na parang itong taong to is talagang sabihin nating into you Okay, nandun yung passion. Hindi sila marunong magpakita talaga ng totoong damdamin. Yes. Hindi sila marunong magpakita ng totoong damdamin. Hindi sila, sabihin nating, hard on the outside, soft in the inside. Some of them, they're just like having a facade, wearing a mask. Kung hindi ito nakipag-argue nung umalis ka, well, sa tingin ko guhong-guho to, pero hindi lang niya pinakita na weak siya sa part na yun. So, yeah. The Fool, they want to take risk sa connection na to. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit ano pa ang pwede pang challenge, parang ganyan. They still want this. Parang ganon. So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yeah, yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay? Love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.